Let the fun begin.
The Sunrisers began the new season, much like they finished the last one.
This season starts just like the last, with a humongous score on the board.
Another brutal batting performance by the Orange Army on their home patch meant they now own the top 3 highest totals in Tata IPL history. And it only appears to be a matter of when and not if they smash past that 300-run mark. Could it come as early as Thursday night against the Super Giants from Lucknow? Well, never say never in the Indian Possible League. Hyderabad went bold in the mega auction, and Ishan Kishan repaid their faith straight away with a sensational maiden IPL ton.
What a ton from Ishan Kishan!
Retained duo of Travis Head and Heinrich Klaasen also made vital contributions as the home side dismantled Rajasthan's bowling unit. And against an LSG attack missing a few of their first choice operators, the informed Sunrisers will be lining up some more carnage. Now, despite going down in their opening night, Lucknow took home a few positives. The top order was in full flow, and replacement pick Shardul Thakur bowled an impressive opening spell. They will now look at their new captain Rishabh Pant to find form with the bat after falling for a duck on his franchise debut. Following a string of high-scoring games, expect this one to be no different. Both teams feature some of the best six-hitters in the league. And the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium in Hyderabad is a batter's paradise. If Hyderabad have Head, Abhishek, Kishan and Klaasen to unleash, Lucknow showed that the likes of Nicholas Puran and Mitchell Marsh have arrived in prime form and can match the Sunrisers big hit for big hit. But the clash could be decided by which set of bowlers can execute their plans better. Having the experience of the Gen Gold pair, Pat Cummins and Mohammad Shami in their ranks, the Sunrisers will be quietly confident. However, Lord Shardul made a promising start to the season and has a point to prove. LSG will want revenge for last year's wipeout against the Sunrisers, who chased down 166 in under 10 overs without losing a single wicket. Travis Sheikh will be back to open up those wounds. So can a refurbished Lucknow unit keep them in check? Or will we see Summit 300 be scaled on Thursday night?